Students. So today again after half yearly we are starting the classes of drawing, and today's topic we will be doing collage from the book only which is given to you. So let's see what is there in collage. Today we will be doing page number 29. 29 is here, and here one banana is there, and it is done with pasting bits of paper, yellow color paper. It is pasted all, and this is called collage. So how to do collage painting, collage work, you will see like this. First we will apply fevicol or any gum, you will apply like this, and after this we will tear small pieces of from here and start pasting like this. We have to only see that the piece of the don't go out of the line. Casually you feel, don't cut with scissor, okay? That's it. Like this you tear one page and paste. You see that it is not very bigger and not very smaller also. If it will very small, then it will take a lot of time, and if it is very big, it will not look nice. So like this you have to paste. I am clearing very small pieces, and see that almost all the part is covered and it should not go out of the line, okay? That also you have to see. So I hope that all will be very easily doing this, and you might have done also somewhere at home, and it is very good. So, like this you will keep on pasting. If somewhere it is coming out, you see that it don't come out of the line. Like this. Okay, again till here you have completed, then apply gum here and spread. Again start pasting. This is tearing page and pasting according to the color of the object. If banana is there, so yellow paper is we have used. If apple will be there, we will use red color. If mango will be there, then we will use green, so that it will look better. Okay. So like this you will keep pasting. And don't paste very big pieces. So again apply some fevicol here, this part. We have done till here. Now some part is left. Let's complete that. Bits of paper should be smaller in size. If it is very long, it will not look so nice, and it should not come out of the line of the figure. Like this. Again you see wherever it is left, you paste. Here you can see that white is seen, so we'll paste it here. see that wherever something is left, then you do it some way that it is completed fully. Okay, like this. Almost we have done. So like this, all will be completed and it will look this. So you can see we have completed this one, and like this only you will use any marble paper or any colored paper of yellow. Any type of paper you can use, but color should be yellow, or this oranges look will also do. So we have completed page number 29, and your homework will be page number, I am telling, will be page number 12. You will complete this moon and this elephant, page number 14. So what is your homework now, students? Page number 12 and page number 14. 12 and 14 is homework, because this bucket we have already completed as holiday a half yearly examination. Okay, so homework is this page and this page. Okay, this page you will complete, and we have done this. And after doing the collage, don't close the book at once, because it will be pasted. So let it dry like this only, so that after it is dried, then you close the book. Otherwise this page will be pasted here. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you will enjoy this collage.